kami sa ELSA, pag-prepare new ASDS OIC of El Salvador. And here is the chief.
Who are proactive and flexible, because according to the old maxim,
flexibility in the time of great change is a vital quality of leadership.
This is a glorious day for all of us. I will be turning over this responsibility to an outstanding, emerging, young leader in DepEd. To Sir Dionesio L, it is with great pleasure, sir, that I congratulate you on your designation as the OIC, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of the Division of El Salvador City. And so in my humble capacity as the outgoing Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, I hereby turn over to you, Sir Dionesio L, this key of responsibility, which symbolizes the responsibilities that you will be undertaking as the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of this division. And I know that with you, the gems, jewels, will further glitter. Congratulations, Sir Dionesio L.
Thank you very much, ASDS, Alice and I humbly accept this challenge bestowed upon me by the Lord God above and with the help of our beloved Regional Director to serve as the partner of our beloved SDS, Dr. Olga Alonsabe. I hereby accept the authority, responsibility, and accountability attached to the position. Altogether, let us work together and we will polish the gem that is within us, the gems of El Salvador. Forward, forward, DepEd Division of El Salvador City. Thank
you. Change not just about the physical aspect, because when we work for change, it's not just about the physical aspect. But again, change is not limited to only the physical sector. Aesthetic purposes. To me, it's just one dot. And I think the biggest of the pie that should eat your change innovation should be on people. In terms of Dionesio's qualification, he's not the only one who holds the kind of qualification. There are others that also have the same qualification. But it's really a matter of weighing things. And to me, it's not because I'm favoring Dionesio over the others. But to me, I decided for him this time, and probably the other next time. Because there will always be time for everything in a day. And when it's God's perfect time, it will always be an unstoppable time.
When you worry, I worry, it's no hurry, 'cause we got.
I can't thank you enough for the opportunities na provided me, sir, and to Dr. Olga for the new opportunities that will come in our journey. Together, let us work for the benefit of our gems of El Salvador City. Together, let us all work for the glory of God. For time and again tells us, we only live this life but once. But whatever we do, we shall be remembered. Positions, titles are temporary, but the way we deal with people will have everlasting memories. Once again, thank you very much, Dr. Olga Alonsabe. This is Mr. Dionesio Liwagon Jr. reporting for duty, ma'am, in the division of El Salvador City.
congratulations once